All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another market update. We have killed it yet again. I've taken all my profits off the table. All right, your boy made a few grand. I hope you guys did very well as well. All right, this was literally an expected move. All right, and I'm just saying this is most likely just the beginning. All right, now I have a habit of taking my profits way earlier than I should be. All right, but I want to show you guys the setup right now, okay? So not only do you have the same exact setup we already talked about, okay? You have the bullish divergence going on, all right? You have your cross, okay? But you also have this. You have this bullish engulfing candle, and last time you had that bullish engulfing candle, you end up shooting up massively, okay? You went from 397 all the way up to 412, all right? Now, I know I'm going to be playing the upside. I'm not going to play the downside. Okay, I'm not going to be playing puts. I'm most likely going to re-enter calls tomorrow, but I'm probably going to do what I did today, which is, guys, I mean, I'm getting really fucking good at this. I mean, it's not like I wasn't already good. I'm just literally taking the trades that I'm calling out now on the fucking, like, 3-minute chart. Like, this is, like, a sexy-ass setup, okay? This right here, I called the fucking bottom, guys. That's all I'm saying. And it shows it better on Weeble. But, yeah, okay, you went down there, okay, while you literally went up there, okay? And that is what I saw when I was or you can even go like that and you can make this whole thing the bullish divergence. Either way, I went long on this candle, all right? And it was a sexy ass entry, all right? I started getting back. Guys, keep in mind, I already sold right here, okay? Or it was where'd I call it out? Right here, okay? I got out of my calls originally right here. All right, and then I got to re-add over here. All right, I missed this. All right, but I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm fucking walking away with like, yeah, it's like I was chilling today. Okay, I just sold all my shit for like up 40% off the latest entry, which was over here. Okay, it was like 30 to 40%. You know, but I'm just saying, guys, like I'm gonna be doing this tomorrow. So even though I'm out right now, I am going to be playing the upside on any opportunities I see, such as these. Tomorrow, all right? Because honestly, I told you guys what I was doing with that one account. I'm gonna literally I'm gonna do it, okay? Funded the account, and I'm gonna see if that account grows larger than my actual trading account just from trading intraday stuff just like I did today. And holy shit, yeah, I'm perfectly fucking fine with that, all right? Today is sexy, okay? It was sexy. All right, so let's get into the actual TA, okay? Now that we got that golden tidbit, okay? This is just another example of proof of concept. And might I add, guys, this thing is probably going to start losing steam. I just took my profits, okay? You got the bearish divergence going on right there as you are clearly climbing there, all right? That is why I decided to pull the trigger, all right? And we are right here at my target, okay? I told you guys, like, I am playing this up until here. I told you guys the strike I got. And it's specifically to play this. I want them to just run in the money. And it was perfect, okay? It was beyond sexy, okay, guys? All right, so you got the bullish engulfing candle that does point towards we are going higher tomorrow, okay? Or bullish pressure tomorrow. But keep in mind, it's not a confirmed move until we close above it. So if tomorrow we close up here at 3-9 or like, yeah, wherever we close, as long as it's above this close today, you have a confirmed move to the upside. It's just like this. This candle right here confirmed this bullish engulfing candle, and boom, you could have bought in on confirmation at the end of the day, like right at the end of the day, and boom, you could have expected upside. All right, that's the same exact situation here, okay? But we're gonna have to wait to see what happens tomorrow. All right, FOMC happens on Wednesday. They announce what they are doing, and that's when we are going to be having Powell talk as well after 2 o'clock, and then 2:30 Powell comes on. So we're gonna have to see what he says. You guys know what I'm thinking, but again, like the charts are saying, hey, bullish divergence here. Okay, the bearish pressure is definitely letting up. That's why we got into the positions on Friday. All right, and fuck the haters. That's all I really gotta say. Like, you guys, if you don't see at this point proof of concept to the absolute max, like I don't know what to say to you. Like, holy shit. Just holy shit. I've already doubled the account that I started the other day from just doing what I'm doing, and like it's going faster than my normal trading account. This is sexy. Okay, all right. So go over the weekly time frame, because that really is what is important for this week. We have this bearish engulfing candle. All right, bearish engulfing candle. Sebastian posted a picture of this bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. Where was it? Bearish engulfing candle. They mark the tops of the downturns, guys. All right. So like I'm just saying, I don't care what happens like we are most likely going to be going down, just like we did at all of these other occurrences on the weekly time frame of the bearish engulfing candle during this bear market. Okay, like this is just not a good thing. All right, it is not a good thing. Look at that. We just hit the alert. I could have waited to take profits. Okay, I could have made a decent chunk more. That is perfectly fine. Okay, I am perfectly fine with taking fucking 40% gains. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with it. All right, guys. So, I mean, there's not really much to talk about, okay? And I'm making this very quick because I completely forgot that I had to record a video. So this is going to actually come out after market hours, just letting you know. But all in all, you guys know the exact analysis already. I've been keeping you guys up to date on Webull. All right. And yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, just follow me there. Okay. You will literally catch everything I talk about, everything I do. You will be catching it on the Webull. Okay. Like I am calling these shots. Shot for shot, not only on a swing basis, but an intraday basis. I am calling these shots, okay? So if you do want, go do that. Put your alerts on Webull and go follow me over there. All right, guys. So, I mean, the setup really is the exact same, okay? It really is. I don't think you are going to stop falling here until we come down here to the oversold territory on the weekly time frame. All right, that is what I'm expecting. Then I am expecting a bullish divergence to be forming. Today, all I did to trade the intraday moves, all right, is look for these divergences. They were so easy to spot, guys. They were literally so easy to spot. All right, these are things anybody can do. And I'm just demonstrating to you guys that, hey, they are simple. This is like simple. This is the point of my channel. It's like TA is easier than most people make it out to be. You just have to know exactly what to look for or you are wasting your time. It's literally that. You're playing a guessing game unless you know exactly what to look for. What's here on this channel, this is literally exactly what to look for if you want to continuously play the moves in the market and not lose. We've had pretty much 100% success rate besides the exception of this thing just continuing to go up, okay? Which all in all, I remember we were in VIX calls here, and it was somewhere around here, and then we fucking did this thing. But all in all, I told you guys what I was doing up here, and I went heavier on longer dated VIX calls, and I told you guys that that was making up for that. And by the time the expiration of these come out, which I think was August 29th, the calls that we'd already been in, by the time that expiration came around, those calls were literally up like almost 100% anyway. Okay, so like all in all, no, we've pretty much had 100% success rate here on the channel. And I'm just saying, guys, like not only am I calling these swings now, but I'm having a really high success rate at calling just the intraday moves. Like it's kind of crazy how easy they are to get. Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, this is just sexy. And yes, I did not get to add that back. I was at the dog park with my boy John, and I didn't add back half the position. But either way, I don't give a shit, okay? I take the profits when it makes sense, and I enter when it makes sense. I do things logically. That's why we stay winning here on the channel. All right, guys. So, I mean, we could cover VIX. VIX has a bearish divergence going on, another bearish divergence. You were going up here, and I'll just mark that out for you guys. Going up there, you're double topping here. All right, so that is another form of a bearish divergence at the same time that we have a bullish divergence going on SPY and the Qs. Bitcoin, do we have a bullish divergence here? We do not have a bullish divergence here on Bitcoin, but look at that. Look at that wick. Maybe Bitcoin starts turning around. I don't really care, okay? I'm not going to pay attention to Bitcoin until like we are coming down to this zone, until we break this zone, and then because this is the TA targeted zone, and then this is my zone that I think this is where Bitcoin actually bottoms, which is going to be the top of this bear market. I think this is in this zone is where we are going to be heading. All right, guys. So with that being said, I will catch you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's update, and I will see you guys over on Webull. Peace.